Hey YouTube, Stevie81678 here. Today we are going to solve a mystery. As you know, when you watch Hollywood and someone busts a TV, sparks and smoke comes out whenever it's turned on, and I've always wondered what really happens when you bust a TV with a sledgehammer and it's turned on. So I guess I'm going to do a demonstration today of what happens. So let's get to it. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Making some strange sounds. Yeah, I guess that's all it's going to do is sit there and make noise. Guess that's it. Thanks for watching.